Victor Stone, also known as Cyborg, is a fictional character in the DC Extended Universe. Based on the character of the same name, he is portrayed by Ray Fisher, making his cinematic film debut in Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice, before playing a prominent role in Justice League. Cyborg's role in the latter film was subject to controversy as his backstory was heavily trimmed down in the theatrical release, in addition to sparking a conflict between Fisher, Joss Whedon, who had replaced Zack Snyder as director, and subsequently DC Films. Nonetheless, the character also appeared in Snyder's director's cut of Justice League with his original arc restored. A later addition to DC Comics' lineup of superhero characters, Cyborg first appeared in 1980 as a founding member of the Teen Titans. He later sees numerous arcs in the comics and is rebooted several times, becoming a founding member of the Justice League in the 2011 continuity relaunch. Cyborg famously appears in numerous adaptations of the Teen Titans, including the 2003-07 animated series and Teen Titans Go, and numerous DC Comics animated films and video games. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.